The world is overrun with zombies. You need to gather information in a safe house to save all of humanity. But the zombies are closing in. Within the hour, they will surely find their way into your safe hold. The secret to repelling the undead lies in eating healthy foods. To get all the information, you must work together to solve codes, open locks, and decipher puzzles. Learn how to keep the zombies at bay with balanced meals and sustainable proteins. Can your group escape with all the information before the zombies find you and save the rest of humanity? Games of Food challenges you to test your survival skills with the game Zombie Attack. The educational escape game Zombie Attack is an engaging way to introduce or reinforce nutrition education and promote healthy eating behaviors in a fun and exciting way. Zombie Attack is suitable for children, adults, and families alike, and has increased knowledge, motivation, and enjoyment for learning in players all over the world. This unique way of learning about nutrition was designed for use in classrooms, exhibitions, or public and private educational events. The challenge is to escape as quickly as possible, but the average playing time is about 30 minutes. The gameplay follows a two-room structure, with 5 puzzles in the first room, which is set on one table, and 4 puzzles in the second room, which is all in the box placed on the second table. All the instructions for the game moderator are included in the guidelines, including the beginning introduction to set the scene, and specific hints for every puzzle should the players ask for help or get stuck for more than 7 minutes on one puzzle. Puzzles not only have specific learning objectives and promote positive behavior changes, but they also build skills like teamwork, working under pressure, and critical thinking. To trial educational escape games in your school, exhibition, or event, contact the Games of Food Consortium at www.gamesoffood.com.